What is an NFT? Simply put, it's a one-of-a-kind digital asset with proven ownership. It could be a work of art, a game item, a PDF, or simply a tweet. The minting procedure creates a cryptographic token that includes the digital signature of the wallet that created the token when a creator creates a digital asset as an NFT. This gives future collectors with direct provenance verification, which is stored on the blockchain. It also gives creators a new opportunity to develop and sell their work directly to their audiences, bypassing traditional gatekeepers. NFT technology is certainly here to stay. Here are some of the ways that NFTs will impact the art world and the world in general going forward. 5 predictions for the future of art NFTs. Art NFTs aren't simply a fun new craze, they have real implications for who has access to art, who creates it, and how it is purchased. Here are 5 predictions about how art nonprofit trusts will help artists, collectors, and art enthusiasts. Prediction 1: the democratization of art. Who owns art? What percentage of the population has access to art? Many individuals create art, but how many of them can make a life doing so? Who qualifies as an artist? The answers to those questions have been forever transformed by the digitization of art. Anyone with an internet connection can now view artwork from anywhere in the world, and they do not need to be physically present to do it. Not only can anybody, anywhere look at art on a phone or computer screen, but virtual reality is rapidly allowing people to visit galleries and museums and study exhibits from the comfort of their own homes. NFTs are giving artists opportunities to create art and distribute it through online channels, bypassing traditional gatekeepers who for centuries dictated what art is and who has access to it. Blockchain transactions also allow artists to be directly supported by their audience and control their own careers. Prediction 2: increased diversity and representation. The advent of blockchain technology and NFTs, as well as the digitization of art, will transform the important actors and influences in the area, making art more representative of the world around us. Art and art spaces are becoming more democratized, allowing access to people and groups who have traditionally been underrepresented in the arts. Isn't that what art is all about? Art has the power to open our eyes to worldviews and experiences that are different from our own, allowing us to broaden and question our viewpoints. The industry should focus on elevating diverse perspectives in this arena and providing crypto education opportunities for BIPOC, women, and underserved artists and communities. Prediction 3: patronage and fractionalization. NFTs are also going to create a future where patronage of the arts looks a lot different. Collectors and fans will be able to directly support their favorite artist or creator because blockchain transactions are direct and not mediated by a third party. Furthermore, fractionalization, or partial ownership, is possible with NFT ownership, allowing fans or collectors to share in the future earnings of artists and their work. The possibility of royalties is one of the most tempting parts of NFTs, according to our recent research on making a living as an artist. Prediction 4: new methods in media. We'll see new media being employed to make and deliver art more frequently as a result of these creative technology. Artists such as Jordan Wolfson and Marina Abramovi have already started painting on digital canvases, making work accessible through VR or AR and prioritizing the experience generated over a static, passive object. Works that are wearable or have a practical application. An artist who turns an art experience into a game for their fans? With new technology comes a creative renaissance, and as more people become interested in the space, technology will only continue to expand and advance. Prediction 5: increased freedom and independence. Finally, all of these factors will lead to a future in which artists will have more freedom and independence. Artists will no longer need to rely on corporate patronage, brands, or mega collectors who may push them to compromise their creative vision because NFTs allow for direct patronage from fans. While art curators and advisors will always play a role in guiding our experience and comprehension of art, artists will increasingly be able to make the work they want and know that their style, medium, or message will find a paying audience. Artists get more control over their career by being able to design their own NFTs and distribute them online on the platform of their choice. Collectors who now have access to a wider range of art may feel more free to collect what they want rather than what they should. A very different future. Art NFTs aren't only a passing phenomenon among a select group of people. Rather, this new technology is appending old concepts of art and erasing barriers for anyone who want to participate in either creating or collecting art. However, in order for these predictions to come true, the industry must continue to welcome new players, educate artists and collectors on how to get started, improve technology to make it more user-friendly, and, most importantly, never lose sight of the mission of connecting great art with those who will truly appreciate it.